Leg day tayo ngayon. Let's go. First exercise, heavy compound, Romanian deadlift or RDL. Ito yung uunahin natin kasi ito yung may highest neurological demand and it requires fresh posterior chain plus spinal stability. Tapos, susundan natin yan ng hack split squats. Massive unilateral builder. Ang main goal natin dito is unilateral strength and syempre to fix imbalances and build athletic legs. 3 sets lang tayo dito, 8 to 10 reps each leg. Third exercise natin, leg press tayo dito, wide stance to emphasize the glutes and adductors. It allows heavy loading safely after fatigue begins. Next is leg curl for direct hamstring isolation. Ito na yung posterior chain finishing work natin and para mabalanse din yung quad dominance. And for our quad finisher, syempre leg extension. Main focus natin is quad isolation. 3 sets lang tayo dito, around 15 to 20 reps. Try to pause at peak contraction. And then we're gonna finish with zone 2 easy run to flush out metabolites and improve recovery.